How many people would like to become happy? Let's raise their hands. Yes, one, two, three. Everybody. Okay. Now, how many people they say that money can earn happiness? Or not even single hand, right? Okay. How many people they say that okay, I want to become happy, but I want money also? Raise their both the hands. Okay, almost everybody, right? So they are not connecting happiness with money, right? But they want money, correct? So this is the conflict which we have, correct? One of the conflicts which you could see inside you, right? So in this session, what we will do, we'll go through what is happiness, first of all, why happiness is needed, then what is the type of happiness, what are the factors which will affect our happiness. We may touch upon Adi Bhautik, okay, Adi Daivik and Adhyatmik. Okay, Adhyatmik not so much because this is a materialistic word, so more about Adi Bhautik. So Adhyatmik we can discuss it because it is beyond the E is equal to MC square. So we'll touch upon Adi Daivik and Adi Bhautik type of happiness. And also we will also go through physiology of happiness. Okay, there is a medical part of happiness because physiology is very important. Once you know about the physiology, definitely you can recall that what could be my happiness, what is my current stage, how I can achieve that stage where I will feel happy. Well, by the way, some person who has actually given definition of happiness without any reason. It's too illogical, right? Happiness without any reason, correct? If happiness is with reason, it is milestone oriented. We have deliverables. If I deliver, I am happy. If I don't deliver, the appraisal is near by now. Okay? Banks are not yet open. If I don't deliver, it's a problem. Happiness has gone. Right? See, happiness, if you see the research on happiness, they say that it's something, some feeling which everybody needed actually. The core reason of it that whatever moment of life which you live, this moment they are in joy or in fun or in achievements or in some kind of feeling, this feeling is needed by everybody. But ultimately it is found that this particular feeling also reduces aging. Underline it. Very important. How they come to know? There was one person known as Norman Cousin. He was suffering from ankylosing spondylosis, and this particular disease, it has a lot of pains it has, and the person has been advised by doctor that you cannot live your life without taking medicine. As a result of it, Norman Cousin, he started getting depressed, and then further he found that he read somewhere that the pain can be vanished if there is a happiness. And further he has started reading some books which are funny books. He started just seeing some funny films, movies, and also getting into some fun activities. As a result of it, after some years he found that this particular disease, ankylosing spondylosis, vanished. And on this beautiful event of his life, he has written a book known as Anatomy of Illness. So this Anatomy of Illness, if you come to know this book, read it. I read its abstract and found it's an amazing book. Why this particular pains or disease that they get revert back because of happiness, its physiology is also explained actually. So its physiology is also very different, correct? So Coming to the Wikipedia, very simple definition, happiness is in context of mental or emotional states. It's a positive, pleasant emotions ranging from contentment to intense joy. This is a very bookish definition. Okay, and it has divided it into well-being and quality of life. Very simple. But if it is well-being and quality of life, let's keep well-being aside, because this well-being is a very umbrella word which contains lots and lots of things. But quality of life, we all live very good quality of life, right? We are all, most of us all are well educated, they are well placed, right? We live a lot of good quality of life. So are we happy? Are we 100% happy? We can say that, okay, I am happy, now I don't want anything. You cannot say that. Okay, if I ask you a question, if you see a small baby, right? Small baby, and he's playing the ball, he's just throwing in air and catching it. And every catch he will have a laughter. And he will find, boss, my salary is over, I have lakhs of rupees in my account. This baby has only one simple rubber ball in his hand. He is much more happier than me. It's very truth, right? We think only when we see this across and we discuss among ourselves, we introspect. At that point of time, we come to know the baby is more happier than us. Many times you will find that people who are very much not performing well, but they are much more happier than us. We are performing well, but they will be more and more happier than us. This is a fact of life, right? See, if you see, there was a person, Weinhofer. He has defined happiness as is a degree of which an individual judges overall quality of his or her own life. Okay, as a whole, mostly as a whole, or he also says that how much one likes the life one leads. And this particular liking is something which is actually connected to happiness. How much what we are doing. I won't ask you a question. Do you like it what you are doing? Okay, that will create a lot of controversies, right? So I won't ask the question. But definitely, even if you don't like, can you be happy? What do you see? Can you be happy if you are not liking it? Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. If you don't like something, can you be happy? No, you cannot. Okay. Somebody says no, correct? No. Most of the people, they say no. If you are so, at the Adi Bhautik level, you cannot be happy. Okay, make this statement underline. At Adi Bhautik level, you cannot be happy.